Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go.
Are you a teacher who needs to supplement your income, but you're not sure how to do that when your schedule is so crazy? In this episode today, I want to share with you the best side hustle for teachers, which is becoming a virtual assistant. If you've never heard this term before, or even if you have and you're just not really understanding what it is, I want to define that for you. A virtual assistant is someone who provides remote services for businesses. Typically, a virtual assistant is not like a full-on employee, but they're providing services from a remote location for a business in exchange for compensation. So the services that you can do as a virtual assistant, there's seriously over 100. And the really beautiful thing is that you get to pick. So some examples of the virtual assistant services are social media management, administrative services, website design, Pinterest management, podcast management, writing, data entry, customer service. Those are all virtual assistant services that you can offer. As a virtual assistant, you get to set your own pay as well. So you get to decide what you want to be paid, when you raise your rates, and all of those things. Typically, I recommend starting at $30 an hour, but you can really quickly grow that from there. I usually recommend when you land the first client at, that $30 mark, you provide services for them for a month. You've got that experience. When you go land that next client, you can charge even more. You can bump that up to $35 an hour and then keep building from there. If you take some sort of training to better your skills, bump that income up. Like I said, you get to decide when you get a raise. There's nobody telling you, hey, you earned a raise for finally after 5 years of teaching. No, you get to pick with becoming a virtual assistant. There's also the ability to set your own schedule. So you can really work your virtual assistant schedule around your teaching job, around your kiddos, around your personal life, all the things. It has complete flexibility for you. With a caveat, there are some services that are a little bit more time specific, like social media management. When a post is published to your client's social media, you do kind of want to be on around that same time just to make sure the post came through right, the formatting didn't get messed up, anything like that. And you can kind of respond to the first comments that come in quickly because that helps build engagement. But a lot of services, you don't have a set time you have to do them. You just have a set deadline to get them done by, but you can work it into your schedule however works best for you. Okay, so let me recap those benefits of becoming a virtual assistant. The schedule flexibility, getting to work it around your life, being able to choose your services, something that sounds fun to you. I do want to mention a lot of times people go with the service that they feel like they have the most experience in, and that's okay. But if you're wanting to do this as a side hustle, you want to pick something that's fun. And if you're wanting to do this to replace your teaching income so you can leave teaching, you want to pick something that's fun. I don't want you to pick a service that does not light you up, because then you might look back a year from now and find yourself in the same place of not feeling fulfilled and happy with the service that you chose. But another really beautiful thing about virtual assistants is if you choose a service that kind of sounds fun, but then you realize it's not your thing, you can always pivot and pick something else. Okay? So schedule flexibility, choosing your services, setting your own pay, those are all some of the amazing benefits of becoming a virtual assistant. It's not even all of them. But if you really want to learn if virtual assistants could be a good fit for you, I want to invite you to my free workshop where I'm going to teach you the 5 Ps to become a successful virtual assistant. So I'm going to walk you through the over 100 services you can offer so you can really figure out which one sounds fun to you. I'm going to walk you through where to find paying clients, how to get them to say yes to hiring you. I'm going to just walk you through it all. So come register for that. Again, it's a free workshop. You can find it at arianavernier.com/free-workshop or find the link in the show notes. Can't wait to see you there. Can't wait to walk with you hand in hand in stepping into the virtual assistant world, even seeing if this is a good fit for you. Just come check it out. No stress, no strings attached. Come meet me there, and I can't wait to pour into you there. All right, y'all, I love you so much, and we will see you in the next episode.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.